Picture this. It's Eagles game day, snacks lined up, the kids are in jerseys, and your phone buzzes. One text. There's an allegation. Your stomach drops. Trigger warning. This episode discusses domestic violence and protective orders. If that's heavy for you, please pause and take care. Welcome to Danny's Den. I'm Danny. Let's chat. Quick roadmap. I'll clear up the legal difference people mix up, give immediate safety and documentation steps you can use right away, offer short scripts to text or say, and share ideas to keep game day routines intact for the kids. Listen, people mix these up all the time. Criminal charges, those are the state's case. The standard is high, beyond a reasonable doubt. Protective orders, different animal. They focus on immediate safety and use a lower standard, which is why a judge can sign one fast. Judges in family court center safety. They look at patterns, documentation, witnesses, and what's best for the child. An ex parte order, that temporary protection signed when only one side is in court, can be granted quickly. It's not a final custody ruling. It's a pause to reduce risk while the court gathers more information. Wait, does that mean I lose everything? No, not usually. Think of an ex parte order as a pause button, not a final edit. Permanent custody changes require more process and evidence. Okay, real steps you can do right now. Start with documentation. Make a factual log with dates and times. Save photos and screenshots. If police are involved, get the report number. Email key evidence to yourself so there's a timestamp. These pieces matter in both criminal and family cases. Today, do this checklist. 1. Create a document titled DV Log, Your Name, and add date time plus 2-line factual note for each event. 2. Save photos and name the files DV YYYY brief.jpg before uploading. 3. Screenshot texts and email them to yourself with subject timeline YYYY-MM-DD. 4. If you call police, write down officer name, badge number, and report number in the log. 5. Request medical records or photos from providers and add copies to the file. 6. Bring this packet to any attorney or intake appointment. It should be one PDF called Case Packet yourname.pdf. Look, documentation isn't about proving you're perfect. It's about creating a reliable record so a judge or an attorney can see the pattern and the care you took to protect the kids. Communication with a co-parent when emotions run hot is tricky. Keep messages short, neutral, and child-focused. Example, I want to keep John safe and on schedule. For now, let's keep pickups at 11 a.m. at the agreed location. If circumstances change, I'll update you. That creates a record and keeps the focus on the child. If you need a one-line response after an allegation, use this. I understand you're upset. My priority is the kid's safety and routine. I'll cooperate with any lawful process and would appreciate details in writing. Alternate copy-ready line with a child placeholder you can send right now. I understand you're upset. My priority is child's names, safety, and routine. I'll cooperate with any lawful process. Please put details in writing. If a face-to-face exchange feels volatile, pause. Say, let's pause this until we can talk calmly. I'll message you the plan. Then step away and follow up in writing. Simple words, recorded actions. That helps in court and protects the kids from witnessing conflict. How do you keep kids steady? Short answer, rituals. Tell them age-appropriate facts. Mom and Dad are working through a grown-up problem. You are safe. Today's plan is the same. Keep small anchors, the same snack, the same seat, the same bedtime story, and avoid adult details. Kids need routine more than explanation. Let's bust a few myths quickly. Myth: an allegation automatically strips you of custody. Not true. Courts look at evidence. Myth: an arrest equals lost parenting rights. No, arrests trigger processes, not instant custody rewrites. Myth: silence is protection. Silence can look like avoidance. Document, show up, and stay punctual for exchanges. Court-smart behaviors that actually help. Keep a predictable schedule. Keep copies of everything. Attend hearings and be calm at exchanges. If safety is real, suggest neutral drop-offs, a community center, a friend's driveway, or a supervised exchange location. Supervised time is a bridge, not a punishment. Now, sports and routines. If hosting the game gets complicated, try these options. Have the co-parent drop the kid off to you with a neutral person nearby. Do a virtual watch party with the same snacks and chants. Or pack a game day kit with their favorite blanket and a note about what part of the ritual you'll do together later. Consistency wins.
Teach the kids a tiny 2-line chant or a silly handshake they can do with you over video. Sounds small, but those mini rituals are emotional glue.
Music moment. A short, comforting throwback can be a ritual cue. Try D'Angelo's Lady or a late 90s R&B song you love together. Play a 2-minute clip at handoff or on a call before bed. A shared song says, "We're still family, even when schedules change." Quick recap and one actionable next step. Document everything today. Make that log, save messages, get medical records, and email the packet to yourself. Then call a local family law attorney or legal aid and bring that PDF. That 2-step, document, then consult, protects safety and preserves your ability to argue for parenting time. If you want help with a specific legal issue, send me a direct message or email Danielle@thelegalassistancecenter.net to book a free 30-minute consultation. If this episode helped, subscribe for weekly law, love, sports, and music guidance. Thanks for listening. Let's chat.